Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make Peek-a-boo Pecan Pie. But what's the secret ingredient? 12 Peekaboo pecans. Yum, 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 yum. The Bumble Nums are in the orchard waiting for the Peekaboo pecans to drop from the pecan trees. Are you excited, Grumble?
Yum!
What about you, Humble?
Yum!
And you, Stumble?
Yum!
Yum! Great! Do you have a plan to make the Peekaboo pecans fall down?
Yum!
Yum, yum!
Uh-oh. Shaking the tree isn't working. What else can you do? Yum! 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 Yum? Oh no, Bumble Nums! The pecans aren't falling! How are you going to make Peekaboo Pecan Pie without any Peekaboo pecans?
Yum! Yum, yum! Yum, yum, yum!
1! Great idea, Humble! Playing Peekaboo will get the Peekaboo pecans to fall off the tree. Remember, Bumble Nums, we need 12 Peekaboo pecans for our Peekaboo Pecan Pie. Now let's play Peekaboo!
Yum, yum, yum!
2! Yum, yum, yum! 3!
Yum, yum, yum!
4!
Yum, yum, yum!
5, 6,
Yum, yum, yum!
7, 8, 9,
Yum, yum, yum!
10, 11. You just need one more Peekaboo pecan, Bumble Nums.
Yum, yum, yum!
12. You got all the Peekaboo pecans, Bumble Nums. Now, let's get them back to the kitchen.
Yum, yum, yum!
Peekaboo, I see you! In the kitchen. Do you still have the 12 Peekaboo pecans? Now that we have the secret ingredient to make our Peekaboo Pecan Pie, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumble Nums, you've done it again! Where's your Peekaboo Pecan Pie, Bumble Nums?
Yum, yum, yum!
How does it taste, Bumble Nums?
Yum, yum, yum!
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum!
Yum! Peekaboo!